What's good? This is the official day one in our high ticket affiliate marketing training series. My name is Tay, and if this is your first time, then do me a favor and check out my day zero video where you can be caught up about what this series is about and how everything is going to work. There will also be a link to the playlist in the description down below, so make sure you get subscribed and click on that notification bell so you can stay alerted when a new video is released in the series. So for the rest of you here, as I mentioned in the last video, this one is all about the program that I'm currently promoting. For all the people here who are new to affiliate marketing, this is where it all starts. Before you can do anything else, you need a product to promote. Now, the type of products I like to promote are actually systems. I like promoting systems because everything is basically set up for you so that you can get started right away. This allows you to easily plug in and start earning while you learn. This program that I'll be showing you momentarily also allows you to generate multiple streams of income just from promoting one affiliate link. And again, it will all be set up for you. So here's the program, and when you click on the link, you'll come across the screen where, like I mentioned earlier, you can generate multiple streams of income from one system on autopilot. Fill in your information, and then you will be taken to this screen where you'll be shown a video explaining how it all works in detail and an option to create an account and get started. Now, before I continue, I do want to say this. The training series is universal in that the methods that I will be teaching you will work across any affiliate product in any niche. So you don't necessarily have to promote this program, but this is the program that I'm personally having the most success with, and it's something that I believe in, and I believe it can help you change your financial future for the better. And another thing, this program is invite only. If you go to the website without a referral link, it's going to ask you who referred you. I like this because it means that your leads can't be stolen or lost. If someone were to click on your referral link today and they don't join, that person is still tied to you. So when they get emails sent to them or they see an online ad for the program, if they were to click on that link, say a month later, and decide to join up, you will still be credited for that sale. Getting back on track, once you create your account, you'll come to this screen where you can see everything that's broken down into 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to join a Facebook group. Now, straight up, you gotta join this Facebook group. I mean, listen, I'm not a fan of Facebook whatsoever, but this group is legit. Members are super helpful. There's plenty of support from the admins. People are always sharing the results and how they got them. It's a very active community. Plus, there's daily live training every morning that goes on in this group as well. So don't ignore this one. Step 2 is setting up your income streams. The first one comes default, which is Multiple Income Funnel itself. For those of you who are new to this is your introduction to affiliate marketing. The system shows and provides everything you need in order to have a successful online business with affiliate marketing. Your links, your lead capture pages, your email autoresponder, your pre-written email content, content for your website if you have a website, social media content, training, and most importantly, multiple ways to earn. Speaking of earning, let's talk about that real quick. In order for this to work, and in order for you to make that life-changing income, you need to understand the different commission types and how they fit into the equation of you making your first 6 figures. There are 3 commission types that you can make as an affiliate marketer: low ticket, high ticket, and recurring commissions. Low ticket commissions give you a small cut from each sale. It typically takes a lot of sales with these types of products to have a significant impact for you financially because of their low price tags. These can often be easier to make sales off of because people will be more willing to open their wallets and give the product a chance. Another benefit is that the lower ticket products can serve as both confidence boosters and social proof. These commissions come much more often, so you have something to keep you motivated and also share as you work on promoting those higher ticket products. Next are the high ticket commissions. These give you a higher cut from each sale because of their higher price tags, and these are the ones that will have the most impact on you financially. Then you finally have recurring commissions. These are commissions that come from subscriptions. They tend to be low to mid-tier in product pricing, but the flip side is that you will continue to earn commissions each month or each year your referral stays a member of that subscription. These types of commissions are a great fallback when things get slow and the other commissions aren't coming in as often. So these are the different commission types, and you need to have a mixture of all of these coming in if you truly want that life-changing income. But getting back on track, the first income stream is a recurring commission. Multiple income funnel is $49, and whenever you refer someone and they sign up, you earn $20, and that $20 is recurring. There's also an annual option, but I'll cover that in a little bit. The second income stream is Power Lead System. This is a high ticket product, and just like with income stream number one, it offers landing pages, sales pages, email automation, and training. But unlike income stream number one, you can use this system to promote products outside of multiple income funnel in any niche, whether it's your product or somebody else's. There's also recurring commission opportunities with this system as well. Income stream number three is an autoresponder service, but for text messaging and SMS. TextBot is powered by an artificial intelligence called Ava, and Ava can simulate human conversation to help you increase your sales. This is another low ticket product. Income stream number four is Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is a source for paid traffic where you can have someone else promote your products to a list of people who are actively looking for products just like this one. You can use this paid service to promote any Make Money Online product or business opportunity, or you can sign up as a reseller and sell traffic packages to other people. Traffic Authority has a nice mix of low, mid, high, and recurring commission opportunities. Now, there are also bonus income streams within the system, but I'll cover those at a later date, so that way you don't get overwhelmed by all of this, because it is a lot. Now, moving on to step three, this one is pretty simple. You're just setting up your wallet so that you can get paid whenever you earn commissions. And finally, step four is the back office tour. So this is multiple income funnel, the system that I'll be promoting in this series, and I highly suggest you do the same. As I mentioned earlier, it's $49 for the monthly with the ability to upgrade to annual at a discounted price. I highly suggest you join the program and then immediately upgrade to the annual, and here's why. Statistically speaking, people who join monthly tend to fall off and quit after the first few months. People who join monthly tend to be more focused on trying to get as much done as possible, looking for a miracle before the next bill. This just doesn't work for most, especially if you're just starting out. Things take time to set up and get going properly. People who sign up for annual have way more success with the program. There's way less pressure since the next bill isn't due for another year, and you can focus on actually doing what it takes to make the system actually work for you. Plus, with the annual, you're earning higher commissions as well. Now trust me when I say this, I can see all the people who have signed up under me in my back office, and the people who tend to stick around and see success are the ones who get annual. So, if you can afford it, definitely go for it. Or, if you have a credit card, throw it on there and get it out of the way. And don't worry, the whole point of this series is to help you recoup the cost quickly and make money as fast as possible. I'm going to show you everything I know, everything that I'm doing that's giving me success, and I'm going to try my absolute best to help you do the exact same. All I ask is that you invest, put your best foot forward, and stay consistent. Alright guys, I think I've gone on long enough. The only thing I want you to do for today is get signed up and go through the 4 steps. There will be a link down below so that you can get signed up. Sign up, set everything up, and tune in for tomorrow's video. We're going to start off slow so you guys don't get overwhelmed. Then over time, pick up the pace. So again, for today, just get signed up and go through the steps. Trust me when I say this. When you first sign up, you're going to get overwhelmed. It happens to almost everyone. But that's what I'm here for. Alright, so this video is officially over. Leave a comment if you have any questions or hit me up at support@taywilkins.com, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Take care.